Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Drama and Dish, where we dive into the juiciest stories and scandals that make headlines. Imagine a place where two of Hollywood's biggest stars, Johnny Depp and Amber Heard, once called home Los Angeles. But on one fateful day in 2016, their idyllic life took a drastic turn. A photograph, innocently titled Bigus 3,263,878,126, JPG, would change the course of their relationship forever. This photo, taken by an ex-boyfriend of Amber Heard's, is at the center of her defamation case against Johnny Depp. But what makes this image so explosive? Well, it shows the aftermath of a brutal fight between the two, where things took a dark turn. And I'm not talking about just any fight, we're talking about allegations of domestic violence. Now you might be thinking, wait, didn't Johnny deny all these claims? Yes, he did. In fact, his team has consistently maintained that Amber was the aggressor in their relationship. But Amber's lawyers say otherwise, claiming that Depp's behavior escalated to physical abuse on multiple occasions. The question is, what's behind this seemingly one-sided narrative? Is it a case of Hollywood manipulation or something more sinister? We're about to dig into the drama and dish out the facts. It all started when Amber filed for a restraining order against Johnny in 2016. She claimed he was physically and emotionally abusive, but Depp countered with his own version of events, one that's been met with skepticism by many. Fast forward to 2020, when Amber sued Johnny for defamation over an op-ed piece he wrote for the Washington Post. In it, he spoke out about his experiences with abuse without naming her directly. But Amber took issue with the implication, claiming Depp's words damaged her reputation and livelihood. Now, we've got a real-life David versus Goliath story on our hands, with two A-listers locked in a battle for control of their narrative. And let me tell you, it's getting ugly. So, what can we learn from this saga? On one hand, we've got a powerful reminder that even the most seemingly perfect relationships can hide dark secrets. But on the other hand, it's also a sobering look at the lengths people will go to protect their reputations and careers. In conclusion, this photo may seem like just a snapshot in time, but for these two stars, it represents so much more power, prestige, and a very public battle for truth. As we continue to follow this drama-filled saga, one thing's for sure: only the most captivating storylines make it onto our screens. That's all for today's episode of Drama and Dish. Thanks for tuning in.